ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನಾನು ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ ಗೋಡ್ಖಿಂಡಿ, ಕೊಳಲು ವಾದಕ. It gives me immense pleasure to invite you all to the Hey Govind concert. This concert will feature me along with Pandit Jaitirth Meundi ji on the vocals. It's a Jugalbandi concert wherein we will be presenting classical ragas, khayal, thumri, bhajans, abhang, dasarpadas, etc. This concert will also feature several wonderful bhajans of Pujya Swami Dayanand Saraswati ji. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಏಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸೇವಾ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತಪಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗಷ್ಟೇ ಅಮೇರಿಕಾದ 25 ನಗರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನ ಮುಗಿಸಿ ನಾವು ಭಾರತಕ್ಕೆ ಮರಳಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಯೋರ್ ಸಿಟೀಸ್. 24th January in Belgaum, 25th January in Bengaluru. So please book your tickets, because Aim for Seva is doing these wonderful fundraising events to support the education of rural and tribal children through their Chhatralayams, which are free hostel facilities. So they are doing a wonderful job and we are so excited to be part of this journey. Please book your tickets now, support this wonderful cause and get yourself immersed in the Bhakti Rasa of classical ragas and compositions. See you all. Namaskara.